Namaskar friends. Today's topic is teaching of fraction. Effective teaching of fraction requires a carefully planned concept-based approach that builds understanding step by step, approach that reduces fear of mathematics among learners. The teaching should begin with concrete experiences where students physically divide real objects like fruits, rotis, paper strips, or chocolate bars. This will give them a good understanding about fraction. We all know that fraction represents equal parts of a whole. At this stage, the teacher must emphasize the idea of equality of parts, helping students recognize that unequal parts don't form valid fractions. Once this foundation is strong, instruction should move to pictorial representations like a shaded diagram, fraction circles, bar models, and number lines. This allows students to visualize fractions, compare their sizes, and understand relationships like more than, less than, or equal to one whole. Clear explanation of fraction vocabulary, whole part, numerator, denominator, unit fraction, and equivalent fractions. All this is essential so that learners grasp both meaning and notation. As students gain confidence, abstract representations using numerical symbols and operations continuous questioning, real-life applications, hands-on activities, peer discussion, and regular reinforcement help address misconceptions and deepen understanding. This makes the learning of fractions meaningful, logical, and long-lasting. Friends, to better understand effective teaching of fraction, now I am going to share a story on fraction. Story goes like, one sunny afternoon, Ria decided to share 4 juicy mangoes with her 3 friends, Aman, Neha, and Kabir. She said everyone must get an equal share. Ria placed 1 mango on the table and cut it into 4 equal pieces, and she gave 1 piece to each friend and kept 1 for herself. She explained, look, each of us got 1 out of 4 equal parts. That is 1/4 of a mango. Next, Ria picked up another mango and cut it into 2 equal pieces. She gave 1 piece to Aman and kept 1 for herself. Now we each have 1/2, she said so. Kabir noticed that the half piece was bigger than the 1/4 piece. That's because the whole is divided into fewer parts. Ria smiled. To make the sharing even more interesting, what Ria did, she arranged all the pieces on a plate. Two 1/4 pieces together made the same size as one half. She explained, fractions can be different but equal. By the end of the mango party, everyone had enjoyed not only the fruit but also learned that fraction is simply fair ways of sharing a whole into equal parts. So this is about today's session on fraction. Thank you very much.